In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Easymails in Monday.com. We'll start on your Monday.com homepage. From there, look for the small puzzle piece icon in the top navigation. That icon opens the Apps Marketplace where you can discover and manage apps for your account. Click it to continue. If the Marketplace icon isn't visible, you may need the latest permissions from your account admin. Inside the Marketplace, you can browse categories if you'd like, but the fastest route is the search bar. Type Easymails. When the Easymails listing appears, select it to open the app page. Take a moment to review the overview and permissions so you know what the app can access. If everything looks good and you have permission to install apps, click Install. Next, Monday.com will ask where to install the app. You'll see two choices: all workspaces or specific workspaces. Choosing all workspaces makes Easymails available across your entire account, which is ideal for organization-wide email workflows. Selecting specific workspaces restricts access to only the spaces you choose, helpful if you're piloting the tool or want to keep usage limited to certain teams. For now, we'll proceed with all workspaces, then confirm by clicking Install. After installation, you'll be prompted to choose where to use Easymails. First, pick a workspace, then select a board inside that workspace. Think about the board where you track contacts, leads, or tasks that require email follow-up. Selecting the right board helps keep messages tied to the items your team already manages. With the workspace and board selected, click Add App to place Easymails into that board. This creates a dedicated view where email activity stays in context with item updates and statuses. The final step is to authenticate. Click Authenticate and follow the on-screen prompts to securely connect Easymails. This step allows the app to send and track emails within your Monday.com board. In some organizations, an admin may need to approve the connection. If that's the case, request approval and return once access is granted. At this point, Easymails is installed, added to your chosen board, and connected. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page and confirm you selected the correct workspace and board during setup. From here, you're ready to compose, send, and monitor emails without leaving Monday.com, keeping communication aligned with your items and workflows. That's the complete setup. Open the Marketplace, find Easymails, install it, choose where it lives, add it to a board, and authenticate. Thanks for watching, and enjoy streamlining your email process inside Monday.com.